Question number 20. We've got four numbers here and we need to write them in order, starting with the smallest. They all have the digits 3 and 8, and these three are multiplied by powers of 10. First thing I'll go through is powers of 10. You should be aware that 10 cubed means 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1000. 10 squared is equal to 10 times 10, which is 100. 10 to the power 1 is just 10. 10 to the power 0, well, any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Hopefully you notice a pattern here. These values are getting 10 times smaller each time. So continuing the pattern, 10 to the minus 1 is equal to 0.1. 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to 0.01. 10 to the power 3 is equal to 0.001. And 10 to the minus 4 is equal to 0.0001. This one is relevant for this part, and this one is relevant for this part. We're going to turn these three numbers into ordinary numbers and compare them against 380. 0.038 multiplied by 10 squared, well, is the same as 0.038 times by 100. When multiplying by 100, the digits move 2 places to the left. Alternatively, you could think of it as the decimal point jumping 2 places to the right. So 0.038 times 10 squared is 3.8. Multiplying by 10 to the minus 4 is the same as multiplying by 0.0001, and multiplying by 10 to the minus 4 is the same as dividing by 10 to the power positive 4, which is 10,000. So again, you can think of this as moving the digits 4 columns to the right, or think of it as moving the decimal point 4 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that one is equal to 0.38, and then 0.38 times 10 to the minus 1 multiplying by 10 to the minus 1 is the same as dividing by 10. Move the decimal point 1 space to the left, or think of it as moving the numbers 1 column to the right, is 0.038. Therefore, in order, the smallest one is this one here, 0.38 times 10 to the negative 1. The next one is this one here, 3,800 times 10 to the minus 4. Then we've got 0.038 times 10 squared, and then finally the biggest one is 380.